Alright, so in this video we're going to take you through installing your subwoofer box into your Toyota Tundra. In this first step, Hector's using a 17mm socket to remove the 4 bolts on the passenger side seat here. After he removes the 4 bolts, lean the seat forward just a hair and then lift straight up and carefully remove it out of your truck so you don't scratch anything. Alright, so in this next step, what you're going to do is here Hector's just popping the seat belt out, as you can see there. He's going to remove the 4 bolts from the driver's side seat. And here you can see he's removing the pad off the back wall. We're going to use this to protect your carpet from the seat so it doesn't poke any holes in the actual carpet. Here he's removing the padding from the driver's side. Next thing he's going to do, he's going to lay it across the floor in front of the seat here. Next, carefully scoot the seat forward. As you can see here, he's doing it just a little bit, using the pad to protect the carpet. Then he's going to lean the seat forward up against the front seat, and this will save you from having to take this heavy seat out. Next step is remove the jack tools here. If you're going to mat the rear wall, which we usually suggest, make sure you remove the seat. It's going to make it a lot easier to install. Here, in an earlier part of the video we showed you, or a previous video, we showed you how to set up your subwoofer box. Here, Alfred's making the final connections. Make sure everything's nice and tight. He's going to slide the subwoofer box into place now. He's going to lean the box forward. He's going to double check that the wire isn't being smashed by the subwoofer box. Next, carefully line up the subwoofer box, ensure it's in place. Scoot the seat back into place. Careful not to damage your subwoofer, and it'll drop right into place. Next, use the bolt with the coarsest thread, then insert in the back corner as Alfred is showing you here on the driver's side seat. Next, install the rest of the bolts, install the passenger side seat, and you're pretty much done.